Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to insert a table of contents in Microsoft Word. So first what we are going to do is to open the document in our Word app, right? And once that we are here, we're going to select the main title and apply the title style. Let me show you. For example, I'm going to use the Constitution of United States. So fine, as you can see, I'm going to select this text. Now I'm going to home and I'm going to put title in each one, right? So I'm going to put title in here, title here, and that with everything that I consider important, right? In this case, I'm doing it with the articles, but you can do it with the section or wherever you want, right? So the only thing important here is that you have to select the important thing and put it as a title or a heading. Now I'm going to select some random sections and I'm going to press section 1, heading in each one, right? So for example here. Fine, so once that we have finished, what we are going to do is to press references and now we're going to create a table of content. This is really easy. I'm doing it here in the last part of the document, but you can do it in the top. So references, table of contents, and now we're going to use the automatic table that it's built in the app, right? So I'm going to press right here. And now, as you can see, we have everything, right? Every section, we have every chapter, every country in this case, because it's the Constitution. Now you have automatically created every section. If you press on Control and then you click on section 3, for example, it is going to take you to that part of the text, right? Let's do it again with another one. In this case here, with Massachusetts, I'm going to press the Control key, click, and now, as you can see, I'm here. So, well, that was all the tutorial. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.